In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for event planning. We'll walk through setting up a fresh Trello board designed to keep every detail of your event organized, visible, and easy to manage from one place. Start by heading to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the navigation where you can access your boards. Boards are the core of Trello. They're like digital command centers where all your tasks, files, and timelines live. Click Boards to open the space where your projects are organized. Next, choose the workspace where this event will belong. A workspace is a shared area for your team, department, or client. Picking the right one helps control who can see and collaborate on your event planning. If you manage multiple clients or teams, think of each workspace as its own container, which keeps things tidy and permissions clear. Now, create a new board. You'll see an option to start a board from scratch. Click Create a New Board to open the Setup window. This is where you define the foundation of your project. Give your board a clear, descriptive title. Type Event Planning as the board name. A simple, explicit title makes it easy for teammates to find and understand. You can also add the event name or date later if you want consistent naming across multiple events, but event planning is a perfectly clean start. Confirm the workspace for the board. Even if you selected a workspace earlier, Trello will show it again here so you can be sure the board is created in the right place. This avoids confusion later and ensures that the right people have access from the start. Choose the visibility setting that fits your needs. Private means only invited members can see the board, which is ideal for events with budgets, contracts, or attendee data. Workspace visibility allows everyone in the workspace to view and collaborate, useful for internal teams. Public makes the board visible on the web, which is rarely necessary for event planning. If you're unsure, private is a safe default and you can change it later. Finally, click Create. Your new event planning board opens immediately. From here, this board becomes your central hub for coordinating timelines, vendors, logistics, and communication, all in one organized view. You'll be able to customize it to match your workflow as the event takes shape. That's it. You've set up a dedicated Trello board for event planning, placed it in the right workspace, and locked in the visibility that matches your needs. You're ready to plan with clarity and confidence.